everyone, I am Padmapriya and I am currently pursuing a diploma in primary education at Sri Krish Teacher Training Institute along with my fellow learners. In our course, we have explored various methodologies and principles of teaching that are effective in today's technology-driven educational landscape. Today, we are excited to showcase that how the playway method and activities can help children learn. The playway method of education is enjoyable, interactive and student-oriented rather than solely relying on traditional teaching techniques. This approach integrates games, hands-on activities and playful experiences to teach the concepts in the way that feel natural and engaging for students. By learning through play, children can observe lessons while staying curious, active and motivated. Come, let's dive in and see how these playway methods make learning both effective and fun. Here we have 3 cards naming H, C and O. H is for herbivores, plant-eating animals, C is for carnivores, flesh-eating animals and O is for omnivores, both plant and flesh-eating animals. Now, this activity is a science activity based on the food and eating habits of animals. When I say the clues of different animals, people has to move around. Shall we start? Plants and fruits-eating animals. Good job. Sharp canines. Fantastic. Both sharp and flat teeth. Good job. Strong muscular jaws. Good. Predators. Fantastic. Hunter-gatherers. Chew the cud. Strong teeth and claws. These different activities are beneficial for different types of learners, catering to their unique way of understanding and observing information. They are listeners, auditory learners, lookers, visual learners, and kinesthetic learners, mover learners. Thank you.